Hello, I'd like to introduce you our home kitchen waste composter, TGCC10. It's made of stainless steel and its net weight is around 60 kilos. There are 4 wheels at the bottom to make sure it can be easily moved to anywhere you need. The operation is also very easy and simple. I will show you the steps. Before we start, we need to connect the pipe at the bottom for condensate discharging. And then we can plug the power cord. Press this power button for 3 seconds to turn on the machine. We can see here is a temperature control panel. We can adjust the temperature according to the situation. Now we can open the cover and add some auxiliaries, just like wood chips, bacteria, and press this running button. Then the machine will automatically start to control bacteria. After about 3 hours, we can open the cover again and put in our kitchen waste. The machine will also automatically start the fermentation process. For energy saving, fan and stir will discontinuous running. We can open the cover and check the situation at any time. After 20 hours, after 24 hours, we confirm that the fermentation is finished, we can open the cover and press this running button again to stop the machine. Then we can scoop out the fertilizer by using a small channel. Okay, that's all about this composter. Thanks for watching.